Ready, go.
So look, see, this is how you
Wrong way.
pull that switch up. Pull it up towards you. Up towards there, up this way. Pull it this way. There you go.
Stop!
You drive just like your mom. Let's go put down the street.
You gotta turn the wheel. No, you gotta
Alright, hold on. Let's go put
Okay,
down the street. Let's go put you in the street so you learn how to steer. Okay. Alright. Now don't hit Ray's car. Okay, when you don't want to go, just take your foot off the pedal.
See, look, when you want to stop, look,
Just go to the pedal.
this means go.
And let go.
Okay, and just see, just let it go and you stop. There's a thing on here so it doesn't go so fast. There's a speed control on here, it said.
Brienne had that pegged. Don't let it fall off the truck.
Okay.
Turn on.
Turn the wheel that way towards your mom.
Turn the wheel towards mommy.
And step on it. There you go. Just a little bit. There you go. That's it. You did good. There you go. Turn.
Keep going.
There you go, that's
See?
better.
Now turn towards your mom. Turn the wheel. Turn. That's it. Look, turn the wheel this way. Turn towards mom. There you go. Now go.
Keep going.
Press it for longer.
Press it. Hold it down.
Keep going. I'm not going. Come on.
No, you're fine. We're right here with you. You gotta learn how to drive that thing.
Turn and press and hold it.
Hold it, Bella. Go. Push it and hold it. Keep your foot on the pedal.
Ready? Let's go. Come
Go.
on. I'll come with you. Come on, keep coming. Let's go for a walk. Come on. Turn the wheel, turn the wheel, turn the wheel. Towards me.